Hey guys, I'm more excited to let you know that ADA Bundle Reloaded has been launched on 5th of July. So ADA Bundle is the all-in-one software that improves your website accessibility in minutes according to ADA and VCAG guidelines. So ADA Bundle Reloaded is a new version of ADA. ADA Bundle software is not a new software. It has been launched since 2021 with the two versions of the software. The first version is 1.0 and the second version is 2.0, and that's the new version, which is ADA Bundle Reloaded. So let's quickly jump onto the sales page and review that what's new in the ADA Bundle Reloaded version. So let's compare it. So here is the sales page of the ADA Bundle. Let's review the features of the ADA Bundle Reloaded. So as you can see, this is the past two version of ADA, that's ADA Leads and ADA Complete, and that's the new version of ADA Bundle Reloaded. So let's review the features. So first feature is accessibility policy statement, and second is safe mode, third cognitive disability mode, ADHD friendly mode, blindness mode, visually impaired mode, content scaling, readability font, dyslexia friendly, highlight titles and titles, text magnifier and sizing, line weight, letter spacing, text alignment, contrast, monochrome, high and low saturations, high contrast, text title and background color, mute sounds, text to speech, hide images, virtual keyboards, stop animations, highlight, hover and focus, big cursors, reading guide, keyboard navigation, reading mask, lead generation app, accessibility audit and compliance report, zero to profit accessibility agency accelerator program, 365 days of Skype group mentorship, bi-weekly no pitch webinar training to help you monetize ADA Bundle, ADA Bundle VIP bonuses, and that's the all features you will get in the ADA Bundle Reloaded version. And if we talk about the pricing, so the pricing of ADA Bundle is only $39. You will get only this version in $39, which is limited time offer price. It will increase anytime. No one knows when it will be increased. So now if we come below, so what will we see? ADA Bundle is commit that it doesn't matter what you are. If you are a CEO, an online marketer, a local consultant, a web developer, an affiliate marketer, a e-commerce store owner, a doctor, a local business owner, a retailer, or any type of profession you are, this ADA Bundle Reloaded version it's able to help you in any profession you are. So that's the good thing of the ADA Bundle. So now if we come below, so we can see here, so why should you invest in ADA Bundle today? There are so many benefits to having access to ADA Bundle. After you get access today, the only regret you will have is that you will wish you would have had access sooner, it will say. So for example, you will be able to avoid nasty and costly lawsuits that suck your bank accounts dry, rank higher in search and engines with less effort, service and profit from the $650 billion disabled market with a capital B. Yeah, that's all about the quick review of the ADA Bundle Reloaded new versions. And as you can see, this is the limited time special offer for you. And the best thing in this offer, ADA Bundle offers you 30 days money back guarantee. So it would be very risk-free for you. There is no risk to purchase this. And just get it the software and just try it. If you don't like this software, you can back to there and get your money back. So this is the brilliant offer with it. In order to purchase this software, I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can check it out. If you purchase through my link, I will also give you premium bonuses. I have mentioned my Instagram link in the description box. You can contact me on my Instagram once purchase this software, and contact me with the screenshot of the purchase page, and I'll give you my premium bonuses. It will really helped you a lot. So yeah, that's a quick review about the ADA Bundle. I will catch you in the next review. Thanks for watching.